Hi friends, this is a small tip for you to quickly finish your breakfast or dinner while doing gravy. How you have to first prepare your vegetables well in advance. When you buy veggies, like see now I have bought this coriander. I have cleaned it with salt and turmeric water. Now I have left it to drain. After it is completely drained, I will chop in pieces and put it into a plastic container and store it in the fridge. Now the potatoes are cleaned with salt water. Now I will wipe dry and keep it. And now this capsicum and beans are all soaking in salt water. I will wash them in running water and then wipe it dry and keep it. These are all kept for dry, which I have cleaned with water, salt water and turmeric, and wipe dry and keep it fully. Then it will stay for longer time in the fridge. I take a clean cloth, washcloth, and just wipe the tomatoes, whatever water is there, and then keep it clean. You can use a tissue also, but I prefer to use a cotton cloth, washed, and wipe it dry without any water and keep it. The carrots, bindi, chilies, everything is like, you wash it, keep it dry, and ready to use. All you have to do is take it and you have to chop, and once you wash and chop, because during this pandemic period we are not able to take a chance of not washing it with salt and turmeric. And also earlier, first only if you wash, all you have to do is a slight washing at the time of cooking. The water is actually drained. Now what I'll do is I'll cut it, and I'll put it on some tissue paper and leave it overnight so that it is completely dry, and I can store it in the box. This will stay like that only for 15 days. And all I've washed and patted it dry now, but even if there is any moisture left out, we will just dab it with the tissue paper so that there is no, you can see there is no wetness. If you put it like this, remove the stalks and wash and put it, it will stay for longer time without spoiling. And you can see the tomatoes are all like, fully dried, so that it will not spoil. And during this pandemic time, we are not able to go every day for veggie shopping and all. I try to maintain tomato and onion in excess for the week. See, even the potatoes are all dried, and the capsicum, everything I've washed, wiped it nicely and dried it. Now this has a little bit of moisture. What I will do is I will just dab this, because anyway tomorrow I'm going to use this. Even if it is left outside, it is okay for me. Then remove it, and the cabbage is also dried. And for chilies, you have to remove the stalks. And for coriander also, you can retain the root, but you have to clean it thoroughly and put it in a bigger box for it to stay long. But I would prefer that cut the roots, cut it into pieces, and then you store it in the box. And this is the lime which I've bought, which I've got it 10 days. It's almost 10 days now. So yeah, these limes are 10 days old, and I daily wash this. I daily change the water, so they have remained fresh like this only. And even the curry leaves, I will show you from my fridge. Wait, okay. This is more than a week and it is still fresh, and it will be there like this only for another 10 days also. Once you wash, clean, pat dry, keep it outside if you need to in the night one day, and then on the tissue paper, and then the morning. But make sure that it is with the stalk like this. Otherwise it will, if you remove the leaf by leaf and keep it to dry outside, it will change its color. We will see how we can remove the kernels easily. First you have to cut it in the center like this, guys, to actually remove the kernels and keep it for the later usage. Okay, slit it half. You can see it is so easy to remove when you have the edge open like this. And you can actually store it in a box for later usage. Hope this is useful. So that only thing is that you should have the one edge of the corn open like this, so that it is easy for you to remove the kernels. Okay, see, it's pretty easy when you cut it and open like this. Make a slit in center. It is easy for you to remove the corn kernels, guys. So all my corn kernels are removed and it's ready to be stored. If you keep it now, you can use it for any mixed vegetables or corn soup or your corn snacks, sweet corn. Instead of buying frozen, you can do this and keep it ready. Kernels are ready to be stored in the container. Which I bought around 15-20 days ago, and still I buy it in lots so that I don't have to go again and again. Now I have pat dried the potatoes also, and I put it here only, and it will stay for a longer time. Not even one onion has gone waste till now, and even the potatoes, they don't get that roots. If you see properly and buy it, you wash it and pat dry and keep it, it will stay for long. I prefer my potato, garlic, ginger, onions in one place, so I put it all in one place so that I get it easily. And take a little bit of time, guys. It takes half an hour to do all these things, and then you are free. Hope this video is helpful. This is Prema signing off from DI.